This one's for a true homie, you know what I mean? One of those homeboys that had your back to the end, you know? And we always had each other's back to the end, you know? We wasn't friends at the beginning to the end, but we was friends in the middle like that, you know, tight as hell. We each other's, you know, we had each other's backs, you know? We had our little battles and shit. We did what we did. Yeah, we was only kids, but we got it through. And one of us made it, but I wish we both could have made it, you know. This is for the homie that we lost. And we know what we talking about. It's kinda hot to rap with the swag on my face. But I'm telling you, yeah, we did it for the real. In the red, I don't know. But he did, and he found, but he put it down with the AK. And it's McKinleyville, okay? And he done motherfucking got that 21 pounds that he really needed. Cause he was in the game high and shit. And he was hot, ballin', bossing in the shit. And this homeboy done blasted him like a little fucking bitch. I don't know what he is, but if I see the motherfucker in them, I don't give a fuck. I'ma tell him, yeah, you took a true homie, man. My homeboy, and he had my back. And I wish he was here so we could share each other's feelings, man. Cause we know when we did, and we motherfucking blowing hella blunts and shit. And we had each other, and we always got each other up. Always got each other doing what we gotta do. He could get it through, I could get it through. We could do what we had to do, but we made it through. And we never did what the fuck he did with that little bitch that he was with. But if I ever see that little bitch, if he makes it out, I'ma tell him what about. He shot himself just to get out and get his ass beat. You had to go to jail cause you coming in my town. And we would've found, we would've killed bitch and put you down. Underground extra 2, let you know how we do. We ain't nothing nice, bitch. We do it like we do it right. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you and your fucking life. I fucking see you once. I give a fuck. I'm getting you out. I give a fuck. You took my homeboy, bitch. In 09, bitch. You knowin' what I'm talking about. I don't give a fucking shit. You blasted him in the head. That's some lame ass shit. You supposed to be his homeboy, bitch. What the fuck is this? I would've dragged him out the car, took him down the fucking hill and hid. We would've got through, we would've made it, shit. What the fuck you doing, bitch? You ain't nothing true and shit. You a little bitch from Antioch. Fuck what you got. I'ma get it hotter from Stockton, bitch. I know what I'm talking shit. And my DF, and you took him like you fucking bitch. I give a fuck. I'ma tell you what the fuck is that. I don't give a fuck, bitch. If I see you, I'ma attack. I don't give a fuck. I get it that. Give a fuck, you get it back. Listen to this, missing that. Stockton Princess getting that. Yeah, you know it's Sean Hopper. Don't stop, remember that. I don't give a fuck. I see you, kill you that. I don't give a fuck. Listen to this other track.
That's my homeboy passed away in 09, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do the thing, you know, cause he's a real true homie, you know, he was always there, always had my back, you know, even though we didn't like each other in the beginning to the end, you know, but we were friends for a minute at the end, at the beginning to the back, you know, we like that. So kinda, we was a little bit better, we knew each other a little bit better than each other thought. We used to do what we do, selling weed to each other, bro. Slanging, banging on the track, listen, coming back, we reppin' red on the block, getting hot. What the fuck, we knocking fools like we fucking got, and we throwing battle, throwing there, throwing back. All this, I give a fuck, we blowing, bitch, we knowin', yeah, we keep it high, keep it there. I don't even know I'm talking about a true homie, man. He gallin' out, cause he got that hard life thuggin', hot that life, high life thuggin'. Really loving it, really like he loving and the thuggin', and he tryna bang so hard. I don't even know. I told him slow is rough. I'm trying to let you know it's fucking so hard. In this shit, he got caught up real quick. In the game, he got his name caught up, shit, man. And he can't come back to Humble Town. And then what he did, they fucked around and cussed me now. Cause they fucking pussy town, in this cop town. And they pussies, bitch, I tell you, yeah, the cops on pussy shit. And the cops on pussy shit up in this Humble Town. I got shot, dude only did 3 months. What the fuck is that? I don't even know, I didn't even press the charges though. But I don't know, it's automatic, I thought so. I don't know, what the fuck, I get it back. Listen that, when I show to the court, they fucking talking about who the fuck is you? I'm like a motherfucker that got shot, fool. They like, oh, what the fuck is fool? Tipping his head, bowing down like he coward now. And he know what he did, cause he know I ain't stopping, bitch. Sean Hopper, now I'm stopping, this is Stockton Prince. Fuck that Bo Rush, bitch. Now I'ma bust shit. I'ma tell you about my homeboy. And he busted AK in this McKinleyville. And I'm living on the same block for real. And I'm telling you what the fucking shit. I'ma tell you on the school road and the fucking Anderson. It's where I'm at, bitch. That's where I'm putting it down now. I don't give a fuck, this where I can be found now. I'ma tell you, yeah, my homeboy put it down. Stole a couple pounds, like 22 or 21 or something like that. Had a couple G's, like 20 something stacked. And I'm telling you, what the fuck is that? Where the fuck the money at? Who the fuck that took that? His homeboy done popped him in his head and popped himself and crawled halfway up the fucking hill. What the fuck, man? He know he gotta die cause he's sick. I don't give a fuck shit. I'ma pop that little pussy bitch. You took a true homie, man. I don't know what you did. When you get out, you dead, fool. I don't give a fuck shit.